What's good, YouTube? I'm back again with another video, you know what I'm saying? And this one is a early pair, even though it came out in May and it came out for like 100, 160, 170 possibly. I'll make sure to put it up on. But this pair that I got from the plug, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna say this pair, like, you know what it is, like the pair that I have is something that you're gonna want to see for sure. And I hope y'all like it for sure. I hope y'all like it. No cap about that. But anyway, let me get to the box and okay, got the box right here for me, and yeah, let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, hit that notification bell when you're watching this video, share it to your friends and family. I don't care who you share it to, just share it at least so we can keep this content going. If you're not new, just keep watching. Subscribe as well too, for the new people, but for the old people, just keep watching, keep liking the vids, keep commenting, keep supporting your boy Bino 100% until we get to 2K. You feel me? 2K by the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? But let's get to this unboxing real quick. They got, ooh, hold up. I know they did not send me this. I know for a fact they did not send me this pair. We got the Ghost Green, size 12. And this is what I love about Jordan boxes. They're coming back with the OG tag right here, with the Jordan tag on the side. That's what I love. I love that. They came with the Shadows too, and the Travis Scotts, but my Travis Scotts don't have them, which is okay. But let's look inside this box real quick. Yo, man, this is a nice ass pair. Yo, this is sick. Look at this. Look at this, John. Hold up, man. Let me lower this down too. Like, yo, bro, this pair is crazy. Like, to be honest, I'm surprised they even sent me this pair. Like, look at this pair, Ghost Green. And if you want, you can check on StockX. They're really cheap right now. They probably go about for like 160, 152 maybe. I don't know. Or even Go too. You can check out on Go. Like, I love how they did that deconstructed foam for the tongue and for the side as well too. It kind of reminds me like they cut off the high top part to make it low top, which I definitely love now, because you can do that. I think you can do that with the unions if you want to. I don't want to do that. If I ever get unions, I don't want to do that. I'd rather just keep it original and keep it simple. This pair has been on my mind since May, and when it came out in May, I was like, I gotta get these, but I didn't have time to get them. And I know that I could have gotten them on StockX, but hey, the plug was insisting to give me this pair to review, and I say, shit, why not? But I love this shoe, man. I love this shoe with passion. Like, look at this. Look at the insole. Light green and black, just how I like it. For those of you who do not know me, Bino itself, I love green. Like, that's my favorite color. Not because of the Boston Celtics, but because I love green so much. Like, that's the color that, that I first saw when I was little. So that's my favorite color right there, green. I respect that color so much. Even the tongue too. It got that racing stripe color. It got that racing stripe tonality right there, and it also has the green Nike stitched in. The back is more like a it's more like a clear through. So like, even if I put this in the dark, this is gonna flash brightly. So I forgot the name what it is, but yeah, the quality of these look great. Like the tumble leather on top looks amazing. The air holes on the Jordan 1 are amazing. Now, I don't know if y'all pay attention, but like, they do this with dunks as well. The air hole, the dunks toe box, some of them look like this, some of them look a little bit up, but that's different. But the air holes are important. You got to make sure that the air holes are aligned together, because there's a lot of ways you can get a pair, they look kind of off to you. Even with retail, even when you go to the store and get a pair in a retail store, that's how you can do that as well. But there's a lot of ways that they can mess it up for sure. The thing I like about this shoe a lot is that you can wear it with anything. And for me, I got a shirt that matches with this color right here. That matches with this color for sure. That matches with this color. I ain't gonna lie. But I love this pair a lot, and this pair is like, it's legit. Like, it's really legit. Like, I love this pair so much. It's really dope, and I can't wait to rock them on my feet this year for back to school. So thank you to Plug, and I just can't wait to put it on for the next video, for the next one. But we got a lot more coming for sure. We got a lot more heat coming away. So can't wait to rock these, because that's gonna be the shoe of the year. I think this one's the shoe of the school year basically. This is more like a good back to school shoe. I don't know if y'all agree with me or not, but yeah, we'll see. But now, why don't we get to this OnFoot review and show the shoe a little bit up close more. All right, let's go.